Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I am about to simply show you how you can actually hide your Snapchat score on Snapchat. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to hide our Snapchat score. In this guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually hide your Snapchat score. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, as we said earlier, I'm going to simply make sure we have actually updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. So make sure you update it, head over to your app store. In the search box, you want to type in Snapchat and then go ahead and simply update the application. After updating Snapchat, I'm going to simply open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you're actually logged into your account. Now, in order to hide our Snapchat score, there are actually a few things that you might actually want to understand. Now, in order to get to that, first of all, we are going to go to our profile page by tapping on the Bitmoji profile, which you can see right on the top left hand side of the screen. As you tap on your Bitmoji profile, we'll be taken to this page right over here, and on the top right hand side of the screen, you can simply see the settings button. So tap on the settings button right over here. Now, after we go to settings page, you want to scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and here you will find an option called Contact Me under Privacy Control, and you can see currently it is set to everyone. Now, what you want to understand is that if I tap on this Contact Me button, you can see that we have actually been given two options who can directly contact you with Snapchats called etc. everyone versus your friends. So in order to actually hide our Snapchat score from the general public, which means people aside from who are friends on your Snapchat account, you want to simply set it to my friends. You can see after we set to my friends, people who are not your contacts on Snapchat will actually not be able to view your Snapchat score. However, you should understand that there is no way to actually hide the Snapchat score from your friends. It will always be visible to your friends. So instead, what you can do is you can only hide it from the general public. Like you can see over here, this option is not available from the Snapchat itself. We only have everyone versus my friends. So what can you do in order to actually hide a Snapchat score from your friend? Now, let's say there is a particular friend on your Snapchat profile that you actually don't want to share your Snap score with. What you can do is you can always go ahead and actually unfriend them. So you can tap on the profile right over here. You could go ahead and simply tap on Manage Friendship. You could either block that person, or you could actually remove that person as a friend. And after you set it to my friend, people who are not friend on your Snapchat account will not actually be able to view your Snapchat score. But you want to understand there is directly no any way you could actually hide it just from everybody and keep it only to yourself. We don't have that privacy option, so make sure you understand that. We hope this video gave you some insights and knowledge about the Snapchat score on Snapchat. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any more questions, also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.